Here's some Moot Court trivia. Subscribe. What is a competitive legal proceeding often held in law schools? Is it A, court hearing, B, evidence presentation, C, moot court, or D, legal debate? The correct answer is C, moot court. Which term refers to the power of a court to review the actions of other branches of government? Is it A, constitutional authority, B, judicial review, C, executive privilege, or D, legislative oversight? The correct answer is B, judicial review. Who authored the famous opinion in Marbury v. Madison? Is it A, John Marshall, B, Robert Lee, C, James Madison, or D, Thomas Jefferson? The correct answer is A, John Marshall. Which legal principle requires courts to follow precedents? Is it A, res judicata, B, stare decisis, C, judicial restraint, or D, legal positivism? The correct answer is B, stare decisis. Who is known for establishing the American Bar Association? Is it A, John Marshall, B, Abraham Lincoln, C, Thomas Jefferson, or D, Ira J. Wilson? The correct answer is D, Ira J. Wilson. What type of law deals with private disputes between individuals? Is it A, civil law, B, criminal law, C, constitutional law, or D, administrative law? The correct answer is A, civil law. Which amendment prohibits cruel and unusual punishment? Is it A, 16th Amendment, B, 8th Amendment, C, 4th Amendment, or D, First Amendment? The correct answer is B, 8th Amendment. What legal term describes a decision made by a court? Is it A, resolution, B, determination, C, ruling, or D, conclusion? The correct answer is C, ruling. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.